Hello my students, grade 3, how are you? Today we'll explain from Moasser book, lesson number 2, properties of quadrilaterals. What about quadrilaterals? Quadrilaterals, it's a polygon contains of 4 sides, like squares, or we have also parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium, rectangle, square. We called it quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is a polygon which has 4 sides. Quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 straight sides and 4 vertices. We call this side. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 sides, 4 vertices. This part, the corner here, vertex, 1 vertex. Then the sum of them, we call it vertices. Then we have the first one, parallelogram. We have the relation between two straight lines. We have two straight lines here parallel. This line parallel this line, and the opposite edge of a rule is parallel. The example of parallel lines is like the train tracks. They are parallel also. Okay. Now we will check the answer for the parallelogram of each and explain why or why not. For the parallelogram of each and explain why or why not. We can choose the first one. We call it parallelogram because we have 4 sides. Each of the sides are parallel and equal lengths. We call it parallelogram. And we have here rectangle. Rectangle is parallelogram. Why? Because we have 4 sides. Each two of the sides are parallel, so we call it parallelogram. And we have also square. Square is parallelogram. We have 4 sides. Each two of the sides are parallels. And trapezium, no, not parallelogram, because trapezium has only 2 straight lines parallel only, not 4 sides. And this not also, because this trapezium. Trapezium has 1 pair parallel sides only. And we have here rhombus. The rhombus is parallelogram which 2 adjacent sides are equal in length. And this not polygon or not parallelogram. Next question. You can read with me. The parallelogram has 2 pairs of parallel sides. 1, 2, it's the first pair. Second pair here. So we have 2 pairs of parallel sides and 2 pairs of equal sides. And we have 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rectangle. The rectangle has 2 pairs of parallel sides. First pair, 1. First pair and second pair. We have 2 pairs of parallel sides and 2 pairs of equal sides, 4 similar vertices. And what about rhombus? Rhombus has 2 pairs of parallel sides. First pair and second pair. We have 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertices here. Square has 2 pairs of parallel sides. يعني يا اولاد اللي قبال بعض ده بيبقى first pair. بير لوحده لان هو عباره عن البير ده عباره ايه 2 straight line parallel. فما هقول square has 2 pairs parallel sides, 4 equal sides and 4 similar vertices. This vertex and this vertex. We have 4 vertices, we call it vertices. The measure of each vertex equal 90 degrees. And also we have trapezium. The trapezium exactly has 1 pair of parallel sides. The length of side may not be the same. Okay, and we have 4 vertices. We have 4 sides. We have 1 pair parallel of sides. The suit we call it trapezium or trapeziate. Check with me. Match each to all suitable quadrilaterals. There are 2 pairs of parallel sides. 2 pairs of parallel sides where you can tell me square and rectangle and parallelogram. Choose 1, 2, 3 and number 5. Letter B, 4 equal sides me where we can choose rhombus. Rhombus has 4 equal sides and square has 4 equal sides. Exactly 1 pair of parallel sides. 1 pair we called it what? Trapezium. Trapezium has exactly 1 pair of parallel sides. يعني الترابيزم يا ولاد هو فيه بس 2 sides بيكونوا parallel دول بس. فهنا exactly 1 pair of parallel sides هو trapezium. 4 vertices similar. 4 is similar about what? About rectangle and square. Rectangle and square has have here 4 vertices similar. يعني الفيرتكس عندك بيكون الميجر بتاعها 90 degree. يبقى اقول angles equals the measure of each one equals them equal 90 degree. Cross out the shape that doesn't show parallelogram and explain why. We have the circle. Circle not a parallelogram. the curve, not parallelogram, because we have the curve here, because the polygon contains of 3 sides at least. And trapezium, because trapezium has exactly one pair of sides parallel, and no parallelogram here, okay? But the remainder is parallelogram, square parallelogram. This not parallelogram, because parallelogram must be has 4 sides, and triangle not parallelogram. Okay, example of parallelogram: square here and rectangle here, and parallelogram here. Okay, next question. Write the name of each quadrilateral. First, we called it rectangle. First here, we called it what? Rectangle. We called it rectangle, okay? Letter B, rhombus. Letter B, we called it what? Rhombus. Rhombus, okay? Letter C, we have square. We called it a square. Letter D, trapezium. Trapezium, okay. Letter E, parallelogram. Parallelogram. Letter E. Letter F, we have trapezoid or trapezium also. Trapezium, okay. Choose the correct answer. Quadrilateral has four vertices. The quadrilateral has 4 vertices. Choose 4. And question letter B. The parallelogram has pairs of equal sides, has 2 pairs of parallel sides. Parallelogram has, like this, we called it parallelogram, has 2 pairs of equal sides. Question letter C. Square. The square has 4 equal sides. Choose 4. Okay, choose 4. 4 equal sides. Next question. Rectangle has similar vertices. 4 similar vertices of rectangle. Write 4 here. The trapezium has exactly 2 pair or 1 pair? 1 pair. The trapezium has exactly 1 pair parallel sides. We called it trapezium, like this. It's trapezium or this. This trapezium has exactly 1 pair parallel sides. Okay. Next question, letter F. Rhombus has 4 vertices. Rhombus, like this, we called it rhombus. Rhombus has 4 vertices. We called it what? Rhombus. Next, write the name of the shape. Quadrilateral, which has only one pair parallel sides, we called it trapezium. We called it what? Trapezium. You know, one pair parallel, we called it trapezium. We called it what? Trapezium. We called it trapezium. Letter B. The polygon which has 4 sides is called quadrilateral. We called it a quadrilateral. Polygon has 4 sides, we called it a quadrilateral. Okay. Quadrilateral. The quadrilateral. Okay, this word here, quadrilateral. Quadrilateral, which has 4 equal sides and 4 similar vertices, we called it square. We called it square. Square has 4 sides are equal lengths and 4 similar angles or similar vertices. Letter D. Quadrilateral. The quadrilateral which has 4 equal sides and not and not similar. And four not similar vertices, we called it what? Rhombus. You know, quadrilateral has four equal sides and four not equal vertices like this. We called it rhombus. The rhombus has four sides equal lengths, and rhombus is a quadrilateral which has four sides. Four sides equal lengths. Or we call this a parallelogram which has four sides equal lengths, or each two adjacent sides are equal in length. About quadrilateral which has four equal 1, 2, 3, 4, but four angles not equal. This we called it what? Rhombus. We call that rhombus. Understood? Next question. Letter E. Quadrilateral which has four similar vertices and four not equal sides, we call it rectangle. The rectangle has four similar angles. The measure of each one of them equal 90 degrees. We called it what? A rectangle. We called it rectangle. Next question, number 5. True or false? Here, the quadrilateral is a polygon which has four sides. Yes, true. True here. True answer. Okay. The quadrilateral is a polygon which has four sides. The parallelogram has exactly one pair of sides. No. Trapezium. Trapezium has exactly one pair of parallel sides, but parallelogram has exactly two pair of parallel sides. Letter C. Square has four similar vertices. Yes. True. The rectangle vertices are not similar. No. False. It's false. Rhombus has two pairs of parallel sides. Yes. True. Rhombus has two pairs of parallel sides. Next question, letter F. Trapezium has more than one pair of parallel sides. No. Exactly. Trapezium has exactly one pair of parallel sides. It's trapezium. So we must write false. Question letter G. The circle is a polygon which has no vertices. Yes. Not a polygon. It's false. A circle is a polygon which has no vertices. Here false. Circle not a polygon. It contains of the curve. Circle is a curve which has any point in the curve has the same distance to the center of the circle. Question letter H. The rhombus has four similar vertices or not? The rhombus has four similar vertices. No. False. Why? Because the rhombus has four sides are equal in length. Each two adjacent sides are equal in length. The square has two pairs of parallel sides. Yes. Excellent. True. Or rectangle or parallelograms. Yes. Or rectangle parallelogram, because rectangle is a parallelogram which has four angles equal in the measure. The rectangle is parallelogram which has right angle. Okay, this is true. Letter G true.